Here are some amazing facts about peacock butterfly. General information. The peacock butterfly Aglais is native to Europe and parts of Asia. Its name comes from its eye-like patterns, which resemble a peacock's feathers. It belongs to the family Nymphalidae, commonly called brush-footed butterflies. The peacock butterfly was first scientifically described in 1758 by Carl Linnaeus. It is one of the most recognized butterflies in Europe due to its vibrant wings. Physical features. The wingspan ranges from 50 to 55 millimeters. The upper side of the wings is bright red with 4 large eye spots. The underside of its wings is dark and cryptic, helping it camouflage. The eye spots are a defense mechanism, scaring off predators. These butterflies have hairy bodies, which protect them from cold weather. Behavior. They are diurnal and most active during sunny days. When threatened, they make a hissing sound by rubbing their wings together. Peacock butterflies are territorial and will defend their space from rivals. They hibernate during the winter in sheltered places like woodpiles and sheds. They sometimes bask in the sun to raise their body temperature. Habitat. Peacock butterflies prefer gardens, forests, and meadows. They are also commonly seen in urban parks and fields. These butterflies are adaptable and can thrive in diverse environments. During migration, they travel long distances to find suitable climates. They are particularly abundant in temperate regions. Diet. The adult feeds mainly on nectar from flowers like thistles, buddleias, and daisies. Caterpillars feed exclusively on stinging nettles. Peacock butterflies are considered pollinators and contribute to ecosystems. In early spring, they feed on tree sap and fallen fruit. They can survive without food for short periods during hibernation. Reproduction. Females lay eggs in clusters of 400 to 500 on the underside of nettle leaves. The eggs are green and take about a week to hatch. Caterpillars are black with white spots and are gregarious initially. After 4 weeks, they form chrysalises to undergo metamorphosis. The life cycle from egg to adult takes about 6 weeks. Survival and defense. Their eye spots are most effective against birds and small mammals. The dark underside of the wings makes them nearly invisible when resting. Hibernation protects them from freezing temperatures. They are known to mimic dead leaves while resting. The caterpillar's spiky appearance deters predators. Migration and distribution. Peacock butterflies can travel over 10 kilometers a day during migration. They are found as far north as Scandinavia and as far south as Greece. Some populations migrate to avoid extreme weather conditions. They are year-round residents in warmer climates. In some regions, they are considered indicators of ecological health. Interactions with humans. Peacock butterflies are a favorite among wildlife photographers. They are often seen in butterfly gardens due to their striking appearance. They are not harmful to crops or plants, making them gardener-friendly. The butterfly is a symbol of transformation and beauty in some cultures. Peacock butterflies have inspired art, poetry, and even jewelry designs. Scientific studies. Scientists study their eye spots to understand predator-prey interactions. Their overwintering habits provide insights into cold tolerance in insects. Research on their migration helps track climate change impacts. The caterpillar's ability to process nettle toxins is a topic of interest. Their unique wing structures have been studied for optical properties. Environmental role. They play a key role in pollinating wildflowers. By consuming nectar, they help maintain plant biodiversity. Their larvae contribute to the food web by feeding birds and other predators. Peacock butterflies serve as bioindicators of healthy ecosystems. They help in the natural control of nettle overgrowth. Threats and conservation. Habitat loss is a major threat to peacock butterflies. Climate change affects their migration and hibernation patterns. Pesticides and herbicides reduce their food sources. Predation by birds and wasps impacts their survival. Conservation efforts include planting native flowers and preserving nettle patches.